Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Universal Unique Identifier UUID type is not supported. Access the registry editor using 𝗔𝗟𝗟 from the search box. Click on Yes to authorize. You must go to the path you see on the screen. Now right-click on the key GPSVC, choose the option Permissions. Then click on Advanced. After that, in the line Owner, click on Change. Enter the user's name and click on Check Names. Apply this change. After that, check the box, Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects. Click on Apply and OK, close the windows. Close the current session to apply the changes. You can log in again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.